Yeah, guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you see in the title, guys, the meaning behind all my tattoos, and I actually have like, uno go see, just watch a full video to the end. Yeah, guys, as you see on the thumbnail, yo, whether I have my boyfriend tattoo on me or not, whether I have my hex tattoo. Yeah, guys, so now I go get right to the scratch this. So now make sure so now watch the video to the end and watch the full video because I know so no so the one I go eh 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 epic. Alright, guys, so my girl is talking go right in at the video now. Alright, so I was talking to this guy and things did I go well. Like things did I go smooth. And I say smooth, I mean smooth. Like we actually like did have feelings when I didn't more than call it. And all of that, we do things together, we do a lot of things together. And when we say together, I don't mean greater together. Alright, so but it have to go work. But it have to go work and made it get there a job that's very far from him. So I don't know if that's the problem or whatever, but we're gonna get down to the tattoo now and me I go actually show on too. So when I go see for myself and as me say things that go well in the first half, everything me did get a job when I did so close to him and as me say, I don't know if that's the problem but alright, me dey Eric when I the day now and him just text me all on a sudden and just say him a go travel and him know a lie him a tell but him just say him a go travel. So I was like you never say nothing to me and you understand what me I say. I was like that and me get to understand say him never did really want to continue with the relationship. So I guess me did feel really hurt, like hurt deep down inside. Yeah, and it make me feel like me no want to talk to nobody else. Me just want yet man for life. Me just want you understand, guys. So the morning now when me leave work, cause me actually leave work because me feel so uncomfortable. Me did feel away. Me did feel really hurt. So me did actually tell you they say me have some stuff to deal with and whatever. If you try just get a break off or so. When me come home now, me really find out say I'm really done with everything. So the morning no after everything me just go and get that tattoo here. Me don't want it something shift. Alright. Guys, me go show no otherwise but me go just continue with the video. Depends for what me talk about cause me actually I feel like take the picture and stuff and show uno but alright, that's we reach one tattoo. Alright, so I did always have this friend and she looked nice. Me not tell a lie. Not really like friend but me know her and we talk and everything. So me see her with this bad tattoo and we don't want to do it. So me that study because me I say I'm bad for me as a girl but if you tell her the truth then something not really relevant still but me did go and get the same tattoo where she did have on and it's a weapon. Yeah, so that is that. And my other tattoo now I'm having here, I did like it. So yeah, and me did want to try to get it colored and everything but when me I say no, if you don't have any tattoo for your body don't do it. Don't do it, because tattoo is very tempting, and I'm not gonna tell someone not to do it, because sometimes when you know no problem, and the best way for you just work it out and with the tattoo, because it hurt. So whenever you're feeling hurt or have certain problem, probably you will draw tattoos, because me never really like tattoo and all of that, but it like piercing, but just paint and paint and paint. Me just put on a lot of tattoo. Not really a lot, but couple. Yeah, and this pa my hand now, this one, I actually get it done with the weapon that I did the both of them the same day. Yeah, both of them. Because me did like the design, but it did just look unique and cute. Yeah, so me kinda like it. It's cute. Yeah guys, but as me I say, if we never done none yet or stuff like that, try your best with us. Whatever pain you guys feeling, anything, just try to put it in as something else, because tattoo is like a addiction. Like if you ever have one, two, three, and after that you just want to go get more. That's what tattoo is all about. So, and me regret having tattoos, because more than just prefer right now, like my skin just clean, no tattoo, no nothing. But as me say, anger cause that. So, but me not fight against tattoo, cause it unique and cute. Cause unless me only would have put on none, but you know, tattoo is beautiful, especially in ladies. I don't know that. Yeah, but now fight against the man part. But tattoo cute for uma. But when me I say still my show one, two, three. We tell them about three already, and probably work one next video about that. But me go cut the video right here. So, and remember to take care of a nice clean self. Yeah guys. Yep. I'm gonna show the rest of the tattoo them in the video, but I make sure you take care of a nice clean self and get someone to do for me again. So I want to go over my Instagram and follow me. I go put it in the video show, and now I'm gonna put the link in the description, but I go definitely it will pop up on the screen. When I run go over there and follow me on Instagram, and I go put my TikTok over there too. When I go, just run go over there go follow me. Alright, and anybody wanna shout out or whatsoever to any dance, anything at all, any pages, any Instagram, any YouTube, any TikTok shout out, wanna leave the comment in the comment section, so we can go now a shout out in the next upcoming video. Hey. Anyways guys, I'm gone.